Hey guys, welcome back to the Test Kitchen. I'm Sophia and today we're going to do a cheeseless cheese sauce for pasta. So we're going to go ahead and jump right in. I've already pre-made some pasta. So for this recipe, you don't necessarily have to serve it on top of pasta. If you're serving this in your store or in your classroom, you can also do this with roasted cauliflower. You can do it with some raw veggies just dipped right in. It's just a really basic sauce that highlights our nutritional yeast, and it gives it a really lovely tart, cheesy flavor. So we're gonna go ahead and start by adding in our raw cashews. So this is the big bulk of what goes into the recipe. Put those into the high-speed blender, and we've got a 1/4 cup of our nutritional yeast. So here it is in all of its glory. It's nice and powdered and flaky and delicious. Got that umami flavor that a lot of times people who are vegan or dairy-free are really missing. Then we're gonna add in, we've got a little bit of garlic powder and sea salt. And then lastly, it's just lemon juice. So we're looking for about 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, or citrus, or acid of some kind. Add in, and I went ahead and removed the seeds before we shot this. So if you haven't done that, be mindful of the seeds. So we're gonna start it out first. You're gonna add some water after, but we're gonna start it just to get things moving along. So this recipe calls for about a 1/2 cup to 3/4 cup of water. I say start with a 1/4 cup, see what you need. Get that going. Now we're gonna up our speed. The consistency we want is really velvety, super smooth. One point that I didn't mention before is if you're looking to add a little bit more nutrients in, you can go ahead and add some roasted cauliflower in here. That's just gonna boost the fiber, boost the nutrition, and if you're serving it to kids, it's a really great way to get veggies in for them. So we're just gonna go ahead and pour this on over our pasta. You can also add in some herbs. Some basil would be delicious. Serve it alongside some peas with your noodles. All that good. All right, guys, so that's finishing up our nutritional yeast cheeseless cheese sauce.